Okay, good morning everyone. Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Okay, everyone, good morning. Teacher Deb is here waiting for you. So, let the other students join us and after that, we will start our class today. Okay, so let's wait for like 1 or 2 minutes only. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, how many students are here now? Like 10 students. So let's wait for the remaining other students. So how are you? How are you, my dear students? I think all of you are still fine, right? Because of COVID, you cannot even go to school. That is why we are having online classes. Okay, anyway, let's study. Okay, hello, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Okay, where are the other students? The time is already 11 o'clock. Okay, we are still waiting for the other students, but we cannot wait for a long time because we have only 40 minutes. So very soon we are going to start our class now. Okay, only 1 minute. Okay, good morning. Hello, everyone. Okay, so let's start our class now. Once again, good morning, everyone. Okay, let's start our class now. Okay, today we have our lesson like this. We will have a revision today. Our topic was numbers up to 1000. We are going to have a revision of this unit. Okay, everything we studied in this unit numbers up to 1000. We have to review. We have a revision today. And after this revision, Teacher Dev will give you some tests. You don't have to do it now. I will explain it later, but you will have some tests. I will explain it after this revision. Okay? Okay, students. Now let's start. Our topic today, our lesson is revision about the numbers up to 1000. Okay? So this is what we are going to do now. Today, we will review everything we studied in the topic numbers up to 1000. Do you remember what we studied, what we learned in this lesson, in this topic, numbers up to 1000? Yes, we studied about the numbers and their names, place values, expanded form, ascending order, descending order, comparing of numbers, like this. Okay, these are the things we studied in this topic, numbers up to 1000. So we will have a quick review of all these things we studied and learned in this topic. Okay, so let's start now. First is numbers and their names. But before this, I want to tell you something. Always sit properly, okay, my dear students. Eyes on the screen. Look at the screen, okay? Listen to Teacher Deb very carefully. And when you need to give some answers, then type your answers in the comment box. Okay, let's start. Numbers and their names. This is the first thing we studied in this topic, numbers up to 1000. Okay. You remember abacus like this? I show you some like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Don't forget this. Always remember ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? Now, how many ones, how many tens, how many hundreds? Check it. Okay? Look at this. These are the tens. Okay? And these are the hundreds. Okay. Okay. Now, look at the abacus. We can see how many ones, how many tens, how many hundreds. Then we have to say the number and its name. Now look at this. How many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 600. And in the tens column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. And ones. The last is ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are 4 ones. So what number is this? Okay, let's see. The number is 694. Because there are 6 hundreds, 9 tens, 4 ones. It means the number is 694. So we can write 694. It is 694. Okay, very good, students. Okay. All these things have been finished. We just have a review today. Okay? Because I will give you some tests. That's why I want to give a review of all these things. Okay. Let's see another one. Always remember ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? Look at this. In this number 204, 204. In this number, we know that there are 4 ones. So 4 will go to ones like this. 4 ones. And tens, 0 tens. And hundreds, it is 2. 200. So this is the number. So how to write the number name? Look at the hundreds. 200. 0 tens means nothing. So you don't need to write anything. But 4 ones. 4 ones means 4. So we write only 4. So the number name is 204. That's how we give the number names. Okay, very good. After this, we also studied about the place values. Yes, we studied about place values. So let's see what we did in the place value. Okay? Again, ones, tens, hundreds. I give you an example. 146 means 146. So 6 will be in the ones, 4 will be in the tens, 1 will be in the hundreds. So what is the place value? Let's see. The place value of 6 is ones because 6 is in the ones column. So we can say the place value of 6 is ones. Okay, very good. Place value of 4 is tens. And the place value of 1 is hundreds. These are the place values. Okay, very good. Now tell me, what is the place value of the underlined digit? Yes, very good, students. Okay, you are given a number 742 and 4 is underlined. What is the place value of the underlined digit? It means the place value of 4. What is the place value? What is it? What is the place value of 4? Let me see. Anyone writing the answer? Okay, very good. Number 20, tens. Very good. But I don't know your name, number 20. Oh yeah, Bentley. Very good. Okay, Bentley. Okay, the place value of 4 is tens, not 40. 40 is the value of 4. Okay? But we will say tens. The place value is tens. Very good. One more question. What is the place value of the underlined digit? 9 is underlined. So what is the place value of 9? What is the place value of 9? Okay, so the place value of 9 is, yes, hundreds. We have to say the place value of 9 is hundreds because 9 is in the hundreds place. So the place value of 9 is hundreds. What happened? I cannot see. Okay, anyway, after this, we studied many things. So let's review all these things. Okay. After this, we learn about expanded form. You remember expanded form? I think all of you remember expanded form. Yes, very good, Kawin. It's hundreds. Okay. Expanded form is like this. In the number 459, there are 4 hundreds, 5 tens, and 9 ones. Yes or no? Yes, very good. There are 4 hundreds, 5 tens, 9 ones. Now we can write the expanded form of 459 like this. 459 equals 400 plus 50 because it is 5 tens. 5 tens means 50 plus 9 ones. 9 ones means 9. So it is 9. 459 equals 400 plus 50 plus 9. Very good. Okay, children. Now 738. How to write 738 in the expanded form? How to write it in the expanded form? 738 equals, anyone who can write the expanded form of 738? Anyone? Anyone, my dear children, of P2/4? Is there anyone who can write the expanded form of 738? Okay? If you don't write, teacher they will tell you. Yes. Who is it? Bentley. Very good. Yes. And next is Pung Pung Pusit. Very good. Next is number 32, Kawin. Yes, very good. 738 can be written as 700 plus 30 plus 8. Very good. Sirinda, Pawitra. Yes, very good. Okay. Similarly, 969 equals 900 plus 60 plus 9. This is all about expanded form. After this, let's write the expanded form to standard form. So what is standard form? The number is the standard form. So let's see the example. Look at this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And it is given like this. 500, tens is 40 and 7. We are given the expanded form now. 500 plus 40 plus 7 equals, what is the standard form of this expanded form? Very easy, right? So what number is it? It means what number equals to this? 547, Kawin, very good. Next, Bentley, Anda, yes, very good. The answer is 547. Pakin, Parit, yes, very good. This 547 is called standard form. We call it standard form. Okay? Natida, very good. 547. Okay, very good. This is all about standard form. Okay? Rasata, very good. Okay? After this, what did we do? We also studied about comparing of numbers. Comparing of numbers. Do you remember what is comparing of numbers? Comparing two or more numbers. Like, if you want to compare any two numbers, we use three symbols. Do you remember the three symbols? Greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, these are the things we did. So, now you are given two numbers, 918 and 819. And we know that 918 is bigger, 819 is smaller. So, which symbol, what symbol will be used in between these two numbers? What is the symbol to be used? We are comparing these two numbers. So anyone, what is the symbol to be used? 918 and 819. Yes, Parit, very good. Yes. The symbol is like this. Very good. Rasata, do you know what is the name of this symbol? So how to read it? 918 is greater than 819. So we have to say like this. 918 is greater than 819. Greater than means bigger than. Don't confuse. Greater than and bigger than, they have the same meaning. Okay? So we have to say 918 is greater than 819. Okay, very good. One more. What about this? This time, we have the same numbers, 158, 158. So, we know that they are the same number. So, we will use equals. And how to say, how to read it? Yes, equal, very good. We can say 158 is equal to 158. So you have to understand how to read, how to speak, okay, how to write, all these things. You have to always try to understand listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Okay, the four skills. Okay, one more example. What about this? 689 and 700. We are comparing these two numbers. So the symbol is like this. Yes. So what is the name of this symbol? How to read this? Yes, very good, Parit. Yes, the symbol is like this, but how to say? If you want to speak, how to speak it? How to say? Anyone? Can you read the number, this number sentence? How to read it? For writing is okay. We can write like this. We write like this. But how to read it? Anyone? Is there anyone who can type your answer? How to read this? 689 is less than 700. We have to say like this. 689 is less than 700. Very good, Pakinat. Okay. Yes, is less than. Less than means smaller than. We know that 689 is smaller than 700. So we have to use the word less than. 689 is less than 700. Very good. Okay. These are about the comparing of two numbers. After this, we also studied, we learned how to find the numbers before, after, and between. So, look at these three words, eyes on the screen. Before, after, between. We also studied about this. So, let's take one example is. After that, we'll go to the next part. And after we finish all these things, Teacher Deb wants to explain something about the test. Okay? So the next is like this. What number comes before 385? Write your answers now. What number comes before 385? I'm checking your answers. What is the number before 385? Anyone? Try to be the first one to give me the correct answer. The first student is Parit, number 8. Very good. Only Parit. What about the remaining students? Next is Kawin. Very good. Rasata, Pawitra, Pakinat. Very good. Okay. There are many more. Shirinda. Yes. Number 20, Bentley, Kawin, Oscar, John. Okay, very good. Yes. The number before 385 is 384. Before means the previous number. Okay, very good. One more. Next question. What number comes after 499? Okay, many more students. Anta, Fakin, Kantafon. Yes, very good. Okay, try the next question. What number comes after 499? The first student is Parit. Very good. Next, Kawin. Next is Oscar, Pakinat, Pawitra. Very good. After that, Nawamin. Okay. Next is Kantafon. Okay. Rasata, Anda. Okay, and many more students. Number 13, Sirinda, Aki, Kawin, Zakjon, Fakin. Okay, very good. All of you are very good. My dear student, you have done a good job. Okay, yes. After 499, the next number is 500. Okay, one more. This is the last one. For, before, after, and between. Okay, next, try this again. What number comes between 625 and 627? What number comes in between these two numbers? Who is the first student giving me the correct answer? I'm checking your answer. The first student is Pakinat. Very good. Next is Kawin. Next is Parit. Okay. Pawitra. Hirawi. Yes, many students. Ratsata, Bentley, Eki, and many more students. Urasaya. Number 13, your name is in Thai. Pantapot, Pakin. Okay, very good. Yes, the number is 626. 626 lies between 625 and 627. Okay, very good. After this, we still have one more lesson we studied last time. That is about ascending order and descending order. You remember ascending order and descending order? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, very good. We learned what is ascending order and what is descending order. Okay, let's see. The first one, ascending order. Who can tell me what is ascending order, biggest to smallest or smallest to biggest? Ascending order. Anyone who can say big to small or small to big? Ascending order. Okay, let me tell you. Ascending order is smallest to biggest. Okay. After that, descending order is biggest to smallest. Descending order is biggest to smallest. Ascending order is smallest to biggest. Okay, very good. Now let's see only two more examples. After that, Teacher Deb will explain about the test. Okay, let's go. The first question, arrange in a descending order. Arrange in descending order. Do it quickly, students. Arrange in descending order. I am not reading all your comments. I will read only the first some students. So who is the first one to give me the correct answer? Descending order. Arrange the given numbers in descending order. I want to see if you understand it or not. Arrange the given numbers, the four given numbers in descending order. Is there anyone? Okay, I think you are still writing. Okay, let me check your answers. Who is the first student with the correct answer? No one yet? Let's do it quickly. After this, let me explain about the test. Oh, children, you are taking so long. I want to see at least one student writing the correct answer. Arrange in descending order. The question says descending order. Arrange in descending order. You have to write all the four numbers. Write all the four numbers in descending order. Some students writing only one number, not like that. I want all of you write the given four numbers in descending order. You have to write all the four numbers, not only one number. All the given four numbers. Why you write only one number? First, you listen to Teacher Dev carefully. I am telling you again and again to write all the four given numbers in descending order. Try to understand. Okay? But still, you are writing only one number. That is why I always tell you to listen carefully to the teacher. If you don't listen to me, you don't understand what to do. Okay? I said to write all the four numbers in descending order. Still no one is writing. I am giving you test today and you don't even write the given four numbers in descending order. What's the problem? Write all the four numbers in descending order. So who is the first student to write these four numbers in descending order? Okay. If you don't write, Teacher Dev will show you the answer, but I don't think this is difficult. What do you think? Is it very difficult? No. Then, what's the problem? You are not writing the answer. I am asking you to write all the four numbers: 851, 790, 900, and 866. But you have to arrange them in descending order. So it means you don't remember what is descending order. I just show you before this question what is ascending and what is descending. Okay, anyway, children, ascending order starts with the biggest number and ending with the smallest number. So the first number is 900. 900 is the biggest, 866, 851, and 790. Okay, let's see the last question for the revision. We don't have enough time now. I want to explain about the test. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the biggest. So when we are looking at the given four numbers, we can say that 395 is the smallest. After this, next is 423, 448, and 512. So we arrange the given four numbers in ascending order. Okay, children, these are the things we studied and learned. We already had a review about all these things. Now, the next thing is the test. We finished this topic, the numbers up to 1000. So, Teacher Dev wants to give you a test. So, let me explain. Since we have online class, the test is also online. What you have to do is you have to type in your computer or in your phone and you have to submit. But before you submit, you have to check carefully your answers. Okay? There will be three tests. The first is listening test. So you will see like this. In your Google Classroom, you will find these tests. Your parents will help you, don't worry. What you have to do is, after you open this test, you have to write your name. The first is write your name. Roll number. Roll number means your class number, like 14, 20, 30, something like that. The last is ID number, your 5-digit ID number, you have to write. If you don't write these three, you cannot go to the next page. After you finish name, roll number, ID number, click next. Then you will see the next page like this. This is for listening. Click the link, listen carefully to the audio and choose the correct answer. What you have to do is, number one, click the link and listen very carefully. There will be an audio. You listen carefully and choose which is the correct answer. Okay? Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, up to number 15. You will have 15 listening questions. Before you submit, check your answers very carefully. Okay? This is the first test, listening test. After listening test, you will have another test, reading test. This time, again, write your name, roll number, ID number. After this, click the next. Next here. You click next. After that, you will see the next page. Same like listening test, you will see here reading test. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct answer. You will find 10 questions for reading test. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10. Okay? Like number 1, which number is 919? You read the 4 options. Which one is 919? And then click the correct option. Okay? Check before you submit the test. After this, we have another one. Writing. Since we have our online test, you don't have to write, but you have to choose the correct answer. Again, write your name, roll number, ID number. After that, click next and you will see the next page like this. Writing. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, 2, 3, up to 10 questions again. You have to click on the choose and you will find 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. The question is like this. Example. Find the biggest number out of 778, 878, 787, 877. Which is the biggest number? You look at these 4 options and click the correct option. And after that, after you finish, you have to submit. And this test will be open for 1 week only and close on Monday, 5th July 2021. Today is Tuesday. It will be closed on Monday. So, you have to submit all the tests, all the 3 tests, listening, reading, writing, all the 3 tests on or before Monday, 5th of July 2021. Do you understand? If you don't submit on or before Monday, everything will be closed. You cannot submit it after Monday. You have to submit it on or before Monday. Okay? After this class, Teacher Deb will upload the 3 tests in the Google Classroom. You can find these 3 tests in your Google Classroom. You go to the subject mathematics, math, and you will see the 3 tests. You can start after the class. Teacher Deb will post it, will upload it after we finish this class. And you have 1 week on or before Monday. Okay, students? Okay? So, for today, we will stop here. We don't have time. So, we will see again next time. For today, it's time to say goodbye. Okay? See you again next time. All of you, all the best. You have to submit all the 3 tests before, on or before Monday. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. For today, we stop here. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Everyone, see you again next time.